How to add overlay in CapCut. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your mobile. Once inside the CapCut, you can see new project option available there. Tap on it and select the main video clip you want to edit. Once you select the main video clip, you can see the overlay option available there at the bottom. Once you see the overlay, simply tap on it. Or you can also tap on the aspect ratio option available there to choose the ratio for your video. Once you tap on the aspect ratio, you can see there are many options like TikTok, YouTube. You can choose one according to your platform. After you do so, you can go back to the overlay again. Here I'm choosing the normal version. Now go back to the overlay and tap on it. Then you can see add overlay and select the video, photo or image you want to use as an overlay. You can choose anything from your gallery including logos, animations or any other clips. Tap add to place the overlay onto your timeline. The overlay will appear as a smaller clip on top of your main video. So use two fingers to resize and move the overlay on the screen to the desired position. You can also trim or cut the overlay and adjust opacity, blending mode and add animations on it. Once you are satisfied, you can simply tap on the export button and save it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.